My name is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor with the Internal Revenue Service, and I have a Christian tax practice, and I want to talk to you individuals who have IRS tax debt, especially those who are Christians listening to me. I don't have to tell you about Romans 14 and the very different scriptures that talk about paying Caesar. Not that I want to pay Caesar. I used to work for Caesar, but I just want to just tell you a little about how to resolve your tax problem. It's really a burden, and we know when we have this, we're really not in the Lord's will, and it's just something we have to go ahead and take care of and resolve. I tell people you kind of really try not to think about IRS or not filing or owing back taxes, and you kind of put it to the back of the drawer. Then tax time, you see all the tax commercials, and then you kind of get that nauseous feeling, hoping this tax season goes away real fast. At least that's the experience many people have told me. So anyway, at the end of the day, if you're a Christian, how do you deal with IRS debt? IRS has three different programs, and that is hardship, which is currently non-collectible, or you can make a payment agreement or installment agreement, or you can try to do a settlement for an offer and compromise. Your current financial statement will dictate how IRS will work with you. Basically, IRS takes a financial statement, a 433A or a 433B, and with that form and asking IRS will ask for it documented. They'll look at your bank statement, your incomes, your pay stubs, and your expenses. IRS is going to say, well, you're eligible for one of these three programs. And it's not so much you're eligible, they're going to force you into one of those three programs. So you need kind of good planning and someone good to work on this case to help you along the way. Usually most clients have a few obstacles you got to smooth out, but it's good to speak to a Christian tax professional who could guide you through this. Also, you need to file all your tax returns. IRS isn't going to work with you unless they're all filed. So make sure you have your tax returns filed. Make sure you have your withholding up to date or your estimate tax payments if you're self-employed. And then with that, just seek good counsel, and you can probably remedy any problem within 30 days with the Internal Revenue Service. Thank you for listening.